My name is Alexander Mamrol, and I believe designers help to improve lives. Designers improve the lives of people by drafting the future of buildings and cities. Cities' building blueprints need to be calculated and thought out. People don't just plan out cities by placing buildings onto the ground. In one of my pictures, I have the groundwork for a major metropolis. It is my ideal image for the city of tomorrow. I came up with this idea by looking at a picture of the city, then by figuring out what the future would have. It would have new and exciting architectural designs that still cling to the grasp of the old and traditional. Designers can create new tools and exciting technology. In the future, there will be advanced, state-of-the-art equipment, and it will be the designers we can thank for. Designers can make things like my recycled robot sculpture into actual working realities. The sculpture was made by thinking what would be the most beneficial to help humanity. The answer was a humanoid automaton. Designers draw working drawings and sketches that can be used to make houses and buildings. This work-in-progress model is made by blueprints, cardboard, and construction paper. It can be used as a model for a potential house. The same goes for all my other mechanical drawings. These mechanical drawings help to create better future buildings of tomorrow. Here is the interior of my building. And here are some of the mechanical drawings that I have produced from architecture lessons. I did for a restaurant. And more architectural drawings. This is why I think designers help to improve lives.